Serving by Miss
Akala
Rhea.
ko umuwi na eh.
Okay, Miss Lucy now, Miss Angel, Miss Bella. Out! It's an away. Another score for New Jeddah. 4-3. 1 point lead by New Jeddah Clinic Hospital. Now serving New Jeddah. Okay. At New Jeddah. Ayan.
Wala.
Okay.
Ayun ang ball. Tama yun ako ano, para ano?
Netball.
Left ball.
Netball yun. Net.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Dead ball?
Netball.
Left ball.
Ano yung bola yun?
Okay.
Kasi
Another
pumasok
service
yun.
from New Jeddah. Okay. Okay. Another score for New Jeddah Clinic
Ano ka? Ano
Hospital.
ang beat mo na? Saan galing?
Sa kanila.
9-3.
Di dito sa kanila netball yun. Walang score yun. Wala.
Hindi. Violation sila eh. Dapat may isang bahat.
5 out.
Hindi ko consider na netball nila. Iulit na lang.
Make another 5.
Pero dapat binigay sa kanila.
Managed by New Jeddah. Out. Very nice fight by Miss Juan, giving the score up 6-3 in favor of New Jeddah Clinic Hospital. Now Miss Rhea serving from New Jeddah. Okay. Miss Bilal is 5. And intercept by Miss Michelle. Miss 5. Michelle. And good, nice ball. Okay, they saved the ball. Okay, Miss Bilal. It's a score for King Pahang. Score is 4-6. Is still in favor of New Jeddah Clinic. King Pahang now serving by Miss Angel. Okay. Oh. Nice fight. Kunin ni Kapres. Out. Isa na out. Score for New Jeddah. Okay, New Jeddah serving. Oh, napaka-exciting ang ating mga audience. Okay. Oh. Again. Oh. Another placing by New Jeddah. Out. Okay. A very nice ball. Okay. They try to save the ball. Now the ball now is in the court of King Pahang. Miss Galagan make another spike. Return again back the ball to the court of King Pahang. Miss Galagan make another spike. And it is again intercept by New Jeddah. Another spike by New Jeddah. And again in the New Jeddah. Okay, King Pahang. Another spike by Miss Galagan. Okay. A score for King Pahang. 5-7 in favor of New Jeddah. King Pahang now serving. Okay, play ball. New Jeddah. Miss Juan. Miss Carol. Out.
Hindi. Technical time